What is going on, everyone? We are back for the second stream of the day. Let me know if everything is sounding okay. Let me know if the music isn't too loud, if I'm not too loud, and if everything is all synced up. My lips are syncing with the sound, and hopefully the charts are going to sync with what we hope will happen, is that we're going to actually break this resistance at 69,000. It's just being a fool. Bitcoin's just being a fool. We busted right back up into the trend, and then we got rejected again. So I'll show you guys here. We keep getting rejected off of the 618 here. Fibonacci retracement level. Second time we got close to it. What's going on, Pablo? Shout out to Pablo. Hope everyone is doing well. Thank you for popping in. We are streaming on X, we are streaming on YouTube, and we are streaming on Twitch. So let yourselves be known if you are watching on Twitch right now, because we're testing out streaming to multiple platforms. So we have one person watching on Twitch, so let yourself be known. It's so funny because, when we're streaming on the Moon Show, we usually have one person on Twitch, but then all of a sudden there's like 5 and then 10, and then they start to share it. So we're testing out the algorithm on Twitch. So let me know who you are, and that I know that the chats are going to come in. And also let yourselves be known in the chat so we can give you a shout out. Thanks for being here. And we're just going to get into it. We're going to get into the trades. We're going to get into what we're trading right now. And right now, currently, we are trading STG and we're trading Doge. And we're waiting for these breakout levels, because once Bitcoin actually goes through and starts to actually test into these levels and break this resistance and turn it into support, which it looks like it might do it. It might do it through the night. We will see, because we have, if I'm correct, we have the Asian markets that will be going through the night. And so then that is going to maybe possibly put some volume and buy pressure. We had $3 billion of Tether that was printed, and I'd love to go to that article. I had it. It was a $3 billion of Tether was printed. Craziness. If I can find it, 3 billion in USDT. Yeah, Tether Treasury just minted 1 billion in USDT on Ethereum today. That's a total of 3 billion of freshly minted USDT in just 3 days. So that's huge, guys. All right, thank you to all of the people that are watching on X. We got 7 people watching on X. You can say yo, 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 and you will be known. All right. Andrew Tate. Describe him using only one word. A giant troll sometimes, I would say. For sure. All right, so let's see. All right, so we are 24% up on Doge, 9% STG. We are in a... This was the trade that we were talking about that we got in at resistance, which is a no-no. But then we limit ordered in this price zone because we felt, look, it's getting bullish. We're going to start pressing back up to that 75K range. We're going to break this resistance. These are old levels. And we will start to push up. And we're going to get some extra BTC on this trade for sure. Already up 6%. All right, so guys, Me Token is absolutely crushing it. So we've been watching Me Token. Very shiny, very shiny. The synth is shiny as well. Myself. I love that name. Myself. Very shiny, very shiny. Shout out to all the people that were tuning into the live stream this earlier today at 11:30. We had people that became new members. We had some new viewers, some new subscribers. We had super chats. It was like an all-time high for all the things, all the metrics. It was really cool. So thank you guys. I really do appreciate it. All right, so right now we have 3 people and 4 likes. So I think we can get more. I think we could definitely get more. We can get some more people in the live stream. We're just going to go until about 8:45. We're going to talk about some coins. We're going to go through some of the big influencers and what they are looking at as well. And we're going to compare and see if that fits our narrative and that fits what we're talking about, because we've mentioned some of these same things in previous videos just a few weeks ago. So let's inform the people that we are also giving the alpha on this channel as well. And thank you, Real Mike, the Real Mike, sharing it on X. That'll totally help. And I don't even think I shared it myself on X. Let's see if I even did it. I don't even think I did it. Because I'm also streaming on here. I'm pushing it out to all these platforms, and I'm testing out paying for the service of Restream. And so far, I'm liking it. I think it is a platform that is overall, it's working. It's easy to use, and I would say from now using it from the free version, and now paying for it, I think it's doing all right. I think it's doing pretty good. I'm liking it. Okay, so let's go. Okay, so all right, yeah, so we're definitely going to crush the resistance. We're crushing it. We're going to for sure crush it. Let's look at the chart. Uh-oh. It's having some issues. So we tried to go full screen and it was like, nope. Oh, I wanted to look at Crow. We were talking about Crow. I think Crow is just like more so I think right now it is a long-term play. You can see here we were drawing the parabolas here. We were kind of just swooping up in price, sideways motion. So this would be kind of accumulation to then go to that next leg up. So would like, and then %. 27 cents would be, let's see, Real Mike is saying, in a 25x long from 68,488, not the best entry, but, yeah, not the best entry. Okay, so 68.48. Let's see what 68.48 looks like on the chart here. 68.48, so 68.48. Yeah, I mean, depends on how much money you put in, so that would be, hey, it's something. All depends on what you're putting in. But now look, you can see here that we are testing back into the trend. So if you're looking at the chart on the, look at it on the 4 hour, and you can see here, we're on this trend. And it's so funny. We drew this line as well, just kind of confirming that we are kind of still, and according to the tops here, that we are going to test up into 80K and back into 70. We're going to be basically going into 75K and skirting around between 75K and going into 80K, especially coming up into the halving. The halving is going to be, I think, not a sell. It's not going to be a sell the news. It's going to be like crush it into the halving. So we'll see. We'll see, though. We'll see what happens. All right. Thank you guys so much for popping in. I really do appreciate it. It looks like we got more people. We got more likes coming in. I really do appreciate it. So the YouTubes for the algorithm, it's the YouTube currency. If YouTube had a meme coin, it would be called either the like button. It would be called like button or subscribe. All right, so STG, it's looking for 80 cents. This is what our target is for STG, is 80 cents. We will be taking profits on STG at 80 cents. So we might as well just put it there. We might as well just put 80 cents for taking some profits at 80 cents, but we are going to just do partial profits. And right there. On Doge, we have a profit. We want to take profits at, I think it was 22 cents. And that was partial profits as well. We're just going to put that in there. Man, I feel like my ears are shaped so weird. Like, I need to get custom molded in-ears. For sure. Definitely need to get custom molded in-ears. All right, so we are in the green on STG. We were buying in on the lows, doing some limit orders. If Bitcoin starts to crush, let me see what's happening. Let's see what's happening on FEMX here. So our two partners on the channel, BITFLEX and FEMX. BITFLEX and FEMX. We will have an affiliate partner link for FEMX. I just want to make sure I give you guys the right one. It's just been newly set up, so I haven't said anything on any videos yet. But yes, new partner is FEMX. And we are also still massive partners with BITFLEX. So we're actually going to be doing a giveaway with BITFLEX. And I'll show you guys real quick. All right. I'll show you guys. So we got some really awesome BITFLEX t-shirts, and we're going to do a giveaway. We're going to do a new campaign, and what you have to do is you have to make a deposit, and you have to put in a trade, and that's it. And then we'll randomly select a person, and all you have to do is whenever you get emailed, if you're the winner, then I will send you this amazing 100% cotton BITFLEX t-shirt. And I will say it's one of the softest t-shirts One of the softest t-shirts I own. All right, so I saw some comments come in. We had Sunshine Girl said, on Bybit, we got rejection at 69,700 exactly a short while ago. Rejected off, yeah. Yeah, it got rejected pretty regular rejection that was obvious because it keeps getting rejected. Keeps getting rejected off the 786 if we're looking at the futures chart. If we look at the futures chart and go into the Fibonacci retracement on the futures chart, you can see that it's the 618. It's like 618, boom, boom, rejection, rejection. But I'm just hoping for getting above this rejection level. If we can just push some volume, if the bulls can just push this candle up, and we can just break that 69.6, we'll be in some good territory. As you can see, what it does to altcoins. All right, so real quick, I want to show you guys the 6 Juanita. Yeah, I think that's so funny. I love his terminology for trading. It makes it fun. It makes it, humorous, and you can make it light. Okay, so I want to show you guys what Elio trades. I was just watching his video, analyzing his video and what his picks are. And I'll just summarize it for you. So his picks is the base memes. He goes into the base memes. Let's see which ones he talks about. Goes in. Okay, so we got Toshi. Second. All right. Let's play this.
It's on base. That's it. It's a cat. People like cats. Well, what can I say? But again, it's worth understanding that because there's no base coin, people are trading like the core meme coins there as kind of a proxy to what a base token might be. And that brings us to Brett. Brett is the other base meme. Oh my God, this chart is crazy. As you can see, this guy is part of the same world as Pepe.
So if you've been watching my videos, if you've been watching the channel, we've talked about Brett. And so it's great seeing accounts like this, huge accounts like Elio Trades, talking about the same stuff that we're talking about. So we mentioned Brett. We mentioned about that narrative. And if we just go to the base meme coins, Brett, in terms of market cap, is the top dog. So could Brett end up becoming the Pepe of the base chain? It very well could. So I have a small bag of Brett. I have it as my base play, and I think it's going to do very well. So out of the coins that are performing the best in my portfolio right now is the Me token, Brett, Bitcoin, and what else is outperforming everything else? Let's check it. Let's check it right now and see what is. Oh, and Chainlink has been doing well. We've actually, because we have just small bags of these things. We like Pepe. Obviously, Pepe's been doing. We haven't been DCAing into Pepe like we should have been. I think we kind of faded Pepe in that way. We made a lot of money on Pepe trading it, but we did not go in the direction of saying, let's trade it and also DCA it, because I do that with some coins where I'm doing both. And that was one where, man, I kind of regretted not just kind of doing that, just being like, okay, let me put a little bit into Pepe, DCA spot, and then also trade it as well. See, if you have an opportunity to do that, that might be a good hedge strategy to where you can, just make sure you're solidifying a bag for the long run. All right. So yeah, Chainlink, Brett. We got Nakamoto Games. Just analyzing the portfolio. And something that kind of came up was LimeWire. LimeWire actually made a token. If you guys are familiar with LimeWire, old school. Let's see. We gotta go. Where's the deck screener? I gotta go to the deck screener. Lost the tab for the deck screener. Or actually, let's look at Dex tools and then we'll go to LimeWire. And this is on the Ethereum blockchain. So this should be it. Oh, yeah. Satoshi Nakadodo says Pepe has more holders than WIF. Yeah. I mean, let's see. Pepe. 11 months ago. Was this the right one? Make sure this is the right one. Yep. 46. Okay. Yeah, the holders. 200,000 holders of Pepe. And then let's go to WIF. $116,000. Yeah, I just want to focus on the top dogs. Like I know like there's always going to be something you can chuck a little bit of your money in here and there, but a lot of the times it's like you have to be so early. But we obviously see with WIF that the traction can go. And then yeah, you have MFers. You're reminding me of these things. I don't know if this is the correct one. But yeah, I was seeing that on Deck Screener. All right, so let's see what the overall market's doing right now with this volatility with Bitcoin. All right, so on the hourly, we got WIF up 1.9%. Could WIF be something we want to get into a trade? Oh, did we hit that resistance again? Man, we're just getting smacked. It's a shame because it's like, you know, we're so close off of that. And then we just get smacked again and again. Yeah, we don't have a stop loss on this one. This is the degen Bitcoin. This is the degen Bitcoin trade. We're just in 4% profit on this one. $14. We were just up, up a little bit where we were about $50 in profit. But this one is for the breakout. I think we're truly gonna have a breakout here soon, so we're not worried. We are not worried. But yeah, we were just in profit. We were in the green on STG, but with that, obviously with that retracement, we got a little bit down, but Doge is still looking good. We could maybe take some profit on Doge, or we could just see if it's because Doge, even with BTC retracements, has been doing really well. It's been one of those coins that actually starts to do well. I think I think there's someone who's like might be a whale that's like taking profits in Bitcoin and putting it into Doge. Because every time BTC starts to kind of go down a little bit, Doge is the first one to recover. Like it goes down a little bit, but then it recovers. So it's really interesting. So that's why I'm always trying to make sure that I am in a Doge trade, because there could just be out of nowhere, like Doge just starts to get that volume. Because you can see it right now. I mean, there's volume. There's still some traction. Look, I mean, as BTC is dipping, Doge is going up. But also, Bitcoin is recovering again, so it could be trying to come up and test that 618. It's really interesting. Yeah, let's see. Not liking me going full screen. It's not liking that at all. So this time what it was the 7.8 that was the 786. 786 on the 3 hour, which is 69. 69,000. 69,083, which is actually right on the point of control. Yeah, this is going to end up being a nice trade. This is going to end up being a really juicy trade. Look what, like, Dogecoin is just doing really, really well. Already 40% up on this one. We are going to hit that target. Target's 21 cents. I mean, look at this candle right here. So what we could do is probably, instead of shooting for 21 cents, we could try and just go right here and switch that take profit on Doge. We'll edit that one to this price. So we just make sure, because that seems like an obvious level that it could hit first and possibly get rejected. Thank you guys for tuning in. I do appreciate it. Let me see how many people are watching across all platforms. Wow, we have 24 people watching on X. Get out of here. I think that's a record. That is a bullish record. All-time high for X viewers. We got 24 people on X. We got 7 people on YouTube. Oh man, YouTube, watch out. That algorithm is coming in. It's coming in hot. And then we still have our one Twitch viewer. Who's our one Twitch viewer? Who is our one Twitch viewer? Is it myself? Is it just myself because I'm on the channel? Let's see. Yo, yo, yo. See, if you're on Twitch, let yourselves be known. Oh, awesome. Thanks. Real Mike, you're the real deal. Real Mike's the real deal. Sharing it on 3 different X accounts. I mean, me either. That was the first time actually getting on Twitch, was to link it with my account so I can start streaming on there, because why not? I mean, and also I like gaming. Like, that's in my background. Like, I've always been a gamer, and I like testing out these crypto games. So I think when I start doing more crypto gaming centric content, I'm going to make sure it gets on Twitch so that I can get that crowd, because they're super into gaming. And we're going to go across the board. But yeah, Doge is looking good. Doge is looking good. Everything is going in the green. Everything's going in the green. We were hoping we're having a nice green day. We did what we said. So what we did is we took profits in Bitcoin. We took 25% off the table. We took $100 and we took that, sent it into our wallet, and we DCA'd into Chainlink. So we just bought some more Chainlink. It's under 18. It was under $18. Great buy. And so then we took that other 100 and we went and DCA, or not DCA'd, but we ordered into our STG trade, and we built a position on Doge. So that was what we did today. And let's check and see what the overall, you know, with doing these moves, I'm curious to see what the overall P&L is and P&L analysis is. And let's just check the P&L analysis for this particular account for the past, I don't know, 7 days. I'm curious because we've had some trades that did not play out like we wanted them to. So, okay, so today's P&L is not too bad. Today's P&L is 77 bucks. That's on the futures. And let's go to the P&L analysis. All right. So you can see on Monday the 1st was 7, and then on Tuesday was 188. The 3rd was 104. The 4th was $46, and then the 5th was the bad day. The 5th was where I got liquidated and stopped out on a few trades that did not play out very well. And then today was 215, so not too bad, not too bad. And then if we just go, and this is excluding unrealized P&L. So this is realized P&L. So if we go into including unrealized P&L, that kind of changes the figures here a little bit. 239, 350, 162, and then today 80. So not too bad. Not too bad, not too bad, but it's a good start. I think it's a good start because we said we're going to start our base on this particular account. We're using some BTC because if you know that you can use your BTC to acquire more BTC if you know what you're doing. Oh yeah, so I did, yeah. So, and honestly, and it's funny, you know, while seeing all those articles, I tried to do a swap on Solana and it didn't work. I tried different slippage. I tried it a couple times and it was just, you know, the network is congested. So I did a swap. I do swap. You know what? I've used Polygon ever since I've been in crypto, and I've never had a transaction like issue ever. Never had the network go down or anything like that. So it's really interesting. So trying to keep up with the chat. All right, so Real Mike, Heaven Peck said, Real Mike, if you mean DJN, look at milk bag. Oh, you're still talking about this milk bag. Is this on Solana? Okay, I gotta check this out. We're gonna check it out because I've heard Heaven Peck talk about milk bag a few times, so we're gonna have to check this out. Milk bag. It's bringing me back to elementary school where we had bag milk and you would literally stab a plastic bag of milk with a straw. Milk bag. Are we going to be true degens and look at milk bag? Milk bag on Sol, the 16 days ago, liquidity is only 71K, holders 1,000. This is really... Is this what you're talking about? This thing? It's on Solana? Is this what you're talking about, having pick? Because we're not on deck. We got to look at deck screener too. And you, yeah, so that's it. Okay. All right, so yeah, there's only 1,000 holders, so this thing is like, what's the market cap? The market cap's almost at, it's almost at $1 million. Okay. Let's see. My cat is sitting behind me. Just a milk bag. Burn until we hit 100 million market cap. Milk bag. Oh man. I see, the thing is if you watch this stream, anything that we talk about, I am not telling you to buy. I'm not telling you to do anything. This is entertainment purposes only. It's just so you can maybe pick up a little sauce on the way in and out. But yeah, I don't know about this one. But yeah, you just got to watch out. Anything that you're getting into when it comes to meme coins, just think of the blue chips. You got to think of the blue chips. Fees on Uniswap, Radium, Orca, and when the network's busy, when you're trying to buy cat coins, I have to go and say nah. That's funny. That's funny, Sunshine Girl. Yeah, it's just like, you know what? I'll tell you what my favorite chains are to swap on. If you like, honestly, Quick Swap is great. It's not financial advice. None of this is financial advice. This is entertainment purposes only. If you go into the section in the YouTube, it even says it. It just says entertainment. Okay, so yeah, for sure. All right, so let's see what's happening with Bitcoin. I think we will be. All right, so we're 7% in profit on this trade. This BTC trade, we upped the ante on this one a little bit. We went $318 in BTC. Yeah, all money is pretend money. At this point, all money is pretend money. Don't let anyone tell you that that the US dollar is any more valuable than what they tell you, and it's because they just put like digital numbers on a screen, print the money infinitely, and all it's backed by is the strength and the might of the US military, and there you go. So if there wasn't the strength of the US military backed by the US dollar, then it would be absolutely worthless. And that is why if something like Bitcoin exists, then this thing actually has a limited supply. It has all of these supply and demand mechanisms built into it, like for obvious the halving, which is 13 days away. 13 days away. And it's on 420, which is too much of a meme in itself. So we got the top meme. It's Doge. It's Doge, baby. All right, so let's look at the futures. Let's look at the charts. Let's see the trades. Let's see if we're in the green, because Bitcoin is going back up into the trend. Oh yeah. Bitcoin knows what's up. Bitcoin knows what's up. All right, cool. So Doge, we are look at this. Doge is just absolutely crushing it right now. Doge is doing amazing. Look at this candle. We're pumping volume on Doge right now. Looking juicy. Looking juicy. We might actually close this trading day out really, really nice. And we might be taking profits on Doge quicker than we thought. We said if we start breaking this level right here, we break this resistance right here. You see this candle? We're just gonna match this candle right here. So we got a take profit. We got a take profit set right here. Got into Doge at, where was our level? We got in at 18 cents, 18.3. But see that so the market's just naturally going to push. It's just going to push this price because it's respecting the previous level, which is this candle right here. That's why I have the take profit set up at the wick. Yeah, let's see BTC now. I think it's... Oh, yeah. Nice, nice. Yeah, some people don't want to trade on the weekend. Some people don't want to trade on Saturdays, but I think like sometimes you can get good price action on the weekends. It just depends. Like you can just say, "Hey, market's looking a little ooh," and I'm just gonna, you know. But I saw the setups. I was seeing the setups, and it worked out perfect to be able to get into these setups when we saw this. Because if Bitcoin was trying to retest these levels again, then it just shows that somewhere in the world, you know, there's money coming in, and it could be a forward telling of what's going to happen Monday. That's why I think that on Monday we're really going to start to see these prices run up. But yeah, Doge is looking really good. Yeah, Doge is looking good, but we might... And the MACD is looking good, too. Yeah, so yeah, Doge is looking bullish. Doge is always bullish. We love Doge on this channel. Yeah, a lot of the times I'm not like looking for a setup. Yeah, you know, I agree. You know, it's like, it's just if you're in the charts and you see it, it plays out, then there you go. And yeah, and the thing is like, you know, people love like the thing is like why Bitcoin is the best money in the world is because it's digital. If you want to go cross borders, cross anywhere, and this is the same with Doge and Bitcoin. If you had a bunch of Doge and Bitcoin, you're going to be able to go across the border. If you tried to take a bunch of cash, like literally like boats of cash or anything like that, or, you know, or gold, they're going to be like, no, you can't do it. And then try and hold all that cash in a bank. I don't trust bank. You can't trust a bank as much as, you know, as much as you can. I don't know. There's so many examples you can give of things you just don't want to trust. But look at Doge right now. Doge is crushing it. Are we going to hit our take profit? We are 67% in profit on this right now. Looking amazing. We might just crush into our level a lot faster than we think. Oh, thanks. Yeah, the emotions are crazy in trading. You really start to learn about yourself and your emotions and how you analyze like opportunity. You know, like where you catch opportunity, and if you can fight the urges and just all the things that come into play when you start trading. Because right now is where things can start playing into your emotions, and you can say, okay, this thing's ripping right now. If I want to really, you know, solidify some profits that I know could set up right now, because it very well could retrace hard off of this green and go right back into our level of, you know, of where we bought in. But we could say maybe our take profit, we kind of bring it down a little bit. And this is just half the trade though. We're only, when we have to take profit, we're only taking partial profits. We're not taking the entire trade. We're taking 50%. Yeah, we're gonna take. We're up 74% now. We can see we might be crushing right into our take profit. And honestly, we might while we take that profit, because it could hit a rejection level, and then we could take some of that profit and short on that, and then to go to reset up to go back in to break into our levels of 21 cents, because that's where we're headed, is 21 cents. Especially, look, this is where we put the trade in. Let's see if we can get the order history. We put in, where did we put in our buy? You can see we had buy orders here, sell here, sell here. So we've made a lot of profits on Doge recently on different trades. Yeah, the liquidity is it's popping. Like you can see, we have some volume coming in. 21 cents. That's where it is. But we're gonna hit the take profit for sure. So the take profit. Let's see where we got it. So taking half the trade is just taking $38 off the plate there, which would, I think, end. So I really like looking at the 4 hour, the 5 minute, and the 15 minute is where you can get. I go between the 5 and the 15 minute and the 4 hour, and then I look at the daily for Bitcoin and things. And like if I'm trading like Bitcoin and Ethereum, all like kind of daily time frames going, and then go to the 5 minute. Because if you're looking at the daily, then you can see if it's in an uptrend or a downtrend, or if something's happening. Like Bitcoin, you want to be bullish right now. It's in an uptrend. So, but then you can trade the scalp volatility with the 5 and 15 minute. All right, so we got 5 minutes left on the live stream, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in. I really do appreciate it. Do me a favor and hit the like button. And it's so cool. We had people becoming members today. I sound like a cult leader. We have people that have become members today, like a congregation. But yeah, you kind of forget that you can actually become a member on the YouTube. And it's right here, member section. And the member section, like Steve Randall, shout out to Steve Randall, was one of the first people to become a member and gets the amazing green and Pepe logo. So we're supporting Pepe because we think Pepe should be listed on Coinbase. Feel bad for Pepe. Old Pepe isn't listed on Coinbase. And I think what's going to happen is Brian Armstrong is going to come around the corner and he's going to go, you know what? I think I might let Pepe slide. I know I don't agree, but I think I'll let Pepe slide. Because they want that money too. I think Coinbase, I know, poor Pepe, not on Coinbase. And look at this. I'll just give you an example. Come on, like, Dog with Hat is already on Coinbase. Like, is it on Coinbase? I think it was. Was this the one that was on Coinbase? I was like, what? No, it's not on Coinbase. Yeah, it was one of the memes that I was like, what? It was Bonk or one of those where I was so surprised. All right. We're going to be scooping that profit off. We're going to be scooping the profit off here soon. And then STG, I think, is going to play out. I think is going to play out very well. STG. And you got to remember, STG, if you're looking at the chart, STG. We are in the middle of two different price ranges that we've been at. 57 cents and 86 cents. And we're right smack in the middle. But if you look at the 4 hour, or if you're looking at the 2 hour, actually, you can see that we are clear path back to 86 cents. I have no idea. I don't know what the backstory is with WIF. I have no idea. All right, so guys, sometimes if we're being a degen and we're up late at night and we're trading, you can pop in to the voice channel, into the lounge, and we will watch old school, early 2000s Toonami, which has like Dragon Ball Z and all the things. And you just pop in and just come in and we'll talk about the trades and watch Toonami. We tested it out. It definitely works, but you got to pop in. Real Mike is saying, is this my first YouTube? No, I'll show you actually my YouTube. My other YouTube is Constant Swimmer. So I used to, like, you know, I'm a musician, so I play drums, so I have drum cover videos and things like that. This is, you know, this is probably one of the ones that got the most views. It's got about 16,000 views. This is way back. This was fun. As you can see. God, man, how long ago was this? This was 13 years ago. And you know what I'm holding is a Zune. Do you guys even know what a Zune is? Yeah, it was fun to jam to that song. This is from Inception. If you remember the movie Inception, the Mombasa. Yeah, and shout out to any Rush fans in the house. So what's so funny is that this was 13 years ago, and now I would have never have thought, if you would have told me that I would have the hottest wife in the world walking around in my house with that shirt like at the cutoff. I would just slap. I would be like slapping that dude, being like, nope. Yeah. All right. So, but really, what you you guys, if you want to blow this channel up, all the people that subscribe to this channel, go to Constant Swimmer. This is actually where I actually have albums on here. I have an album from 11 years ago. The most recent one was from 2018, and I will be releasing some new music here soon. And yeah, if you want to just catch some drum cover videos, and actually this was 3 years ago. If you really want to know the origin of Dano Crypto, here's the very first video I ever made talking about crypto. Was this video right here? It's worth more than what I guess some mainstream media outlets and financial institutions want to lead on to be. So I think it's very, very fascinating. So we're moving into some interesting times, I think. So yeah, what I've been doing. Wow. So it's 3 years ago. 3 years ago. This is when I was watching so much YouTube content. Man, I was watching Ivan on Tech, Crypto Windy O, The Moon, Carl. Man, Journey Crypto. So crazy. All right, so John said, hello, bro. What do you think about the Bitcoin price prediction for the end of the month? So for the end of the month, I think for the end of the month we're gonna be at 80K. We're gonna be 80K or more. Oh, really? Awesome. Yeah, I'm a drummer. Like, I'm a percussionist, but when I write music, I write it on the piano. So like I like synthesizers and electric piano, and a lot of my music is all comes through the piano. Yeah, exactly as predicted. We will be going to 80K or more by because we're gonna be past the halving. So I think we're gonna see this bullish uptrend for Bitcoin going through the halving, and it's going to be different through than other cycles, just because we have a lot of bullish sentiment around. You start banging off trays this bull like you play the drums, and I will build you a private recording studio myself. Awesome. That was the best comment. I need to highlight that comment. Yeah, so my DJing garage is kind of my multi-purpose studio. I got my drums over here. I have I got my studio here. The setup here. I got weights, heavy bag. So Steve Round said, what is this Dogecoin 20? Dogecoin 20. I'm not sure. Dogecoin 20? Is that something I'm needing to know about? Dogecoin 20. I know Dogecoin is going to go to 20 cents. All right, so we're probably going to be watching these. Oh, yeah. I would, not, well, $2. We'll see $2 if you're looking at this. If you're looking at this, $2 would be the next leg of the parabola with the bull flag. So you got a parabola, bull pennant, parabola, pennant here, descending wedge with a breakout to 40 and $2. So this is like, this is where we're going back to. So we're here right now. We're kind of in these levels of getting back into crush to 22 cents. And I'm liking this Dogecoin 7-year cycle analysis. So as Doge is running in the cycle of 7 years, we can see a similar price action in the first half of the current cycle compared to that of the last cycle. When we were at 0.0007 in 2017, we never believed Doge would spike to 0.003, 0.009, and then ultimately 0.35 cents. So today we are at, and this was posted April 1st. By the way. So we are at 22 cents. We won't believe Doge will be $2, $9, $40. Don't miss the opportunity. History repeats, or kind of rhymes a little bit. So I like that breakdown. I like that breakdown. All right, so I think we're gonna end the stream, guys, because it's 9 o'clock. We went past 9, so we've been streaming for an hour, for a straight hour. We went early this time. Yeah, that's just like that's it. In a breakdown, the classic breakdown pattern is. Yeah, this is my favorite band. My favorite band, like of all time. Favorite band of all time is Between the Buried and Me. And I did a cover of one of their songs, and this was probably one of the hardest freaking songs to learn, but it was so much fun. I was like, hold it, watch your ears. And yeah, my hair was super long, crazy long. It was like the Jesus era. What's up, Clean Living? Shout out to Clean Living, all the way in Australia. Shout out to Clean Living. I think they do, honestly. I think because Jason Casper, he's a musician as well. He said he was in bands, toured, very similar path. But I love drumming. Yeah, Between the Buried and Me is choice. Yeah, this was 6 years ago. 6 years ago. So yeah, I think just about everyone about 6 years ago had like crazy long hair. All right, so here's the breakdown part. So some people do not get Between the Buried and Me. They just don't get it. They're like, what is this? I don't understand. But you have to have a certain type of brain to understand Between the Buried and Me. It's crazy because the way their music operates, it just goes like part. And it's just like, but there's reoccurring themes, but it's just like, woo, it's a roller coaster. So you kind of have to have ADD, to be honest. I think you have to have an ADD, ADHD brain to listen to Between the Buried and Me, and probably also to be a drummer. But yeah, if you guys want to watch this, that'd be cool. Give it a like. Go to Constant Swimmer and give this video a like, and go and my music actually is pretty fun to listen to while you're like just driving or you're doing a workout, and it's actually pretty good trading music too, so you can check it out. I'm allowed to shill my own stuff because this is my own personal music. So if you go to releases, we got Dream State, Galaxy Head, and Momentary Lapse. Those are the albums. All right, so let's check Bitcoin. Oh my God, Vicious Teletubby. Shout out to Vicious Teletubby saying, good afternoon, fellas. Hope everyone has had a great week. Which song? Because I know there's a bunch of Bitcoin pump songs when we're watching. Or which song? The song that I just had on? All right, so let's check Bitcoin. Let's see what's happening. Real quick, we're going to check Bitcoin, and then we are going to... Oh, it's getting back into the trend. I love it. Yes. Yes. All right, so... Here, we'll play... Let's see. Oh, here we go. I love this. This song's fun. Here comes 80K, baby. 80K's coming. Oh, we got, so Army Piper. We got Army Piper in the house. What's going on? Army Piper retired. So thank you for your service. Army Piper retired July 1st. Shout out to all the people in the military. Thank you. Shout out to you. Thank you for your service. Going into the military is tough. It is not for everyone, but if there was no one that did it, then I think this world would be the world is chaotic, but I think it'd probably be a little bit more chaotic. I'll just say that. So thank you for your service. Thank you very much. We support the military. We support the veterans. You always want to make sure, keep them safe, bring them home. All right. Yeah, man, thanks for popping in. I appreciate it. Yeah, we've been getting a lot more people on the live. We're getting more likes. We're getting more bullish. I think people are starting to catch the trend on crypto. They're starting to watch more crypto. That's cool. We're liking it. And now that we can go live every day, we can provide more value, more content. We can do this. We can all hang out. We can build this community. We can make some money. And we're gonna show everyone that we can make crypto face money. It's not FU money, because I think crypto face money is bigger than FU money. So let's all say it together. Let's make some crypto face money. Put some masks in the chat. Shout out to Crypto Face. We're gonna search for some masks. If there's some masks in the chat. Are there any masks in the chat? There are. Shout out to Crypto. Shout out to Face, the whale. This is let's see if I go back, because I wanted to go to, there was a crypto face. Is this it? Yeah. Yeah, it was this particular interview. I was really liking this one. Is this Bitcoin whale is all in on this crypto coin. I like Crypto Face's perspective. It's getting me pumped. All right. Trades are looking good. We got a snuggly kitty behind us. All right. Yes, we got the custom emojis. If you're a Dano Crypto member, you can use the custom emojis. All right, let's I'd say this is the song that people usually like the most. I have a friend, he's an amazing musician that I've toured with, and like he's pretty picky with music. He's super picky with music, and he was always like, he's like, all right, this is your song. This is the song, man. He's like, he really likes this one. So I'm like, if he likes this one, or if he likes any of my songs, then this one's got to be good. So we're just gonna jam this one. We're gonna jam this one, and then we're just gonna end it, guys. She's been sitting behind me the whole time.